Hello, in this video, we will present a case study on converting decimals to hexadecimals. So this is the way we convert a decimal to a hexadecimal. And this is D. We need to find all the coefficients for this polynomial. So we will obtain H0, H1, H2 by doing this D divide by 16 and get the remainder. So we do it continuously, successively, and all the way until all these numbers are obtained. For example, for decimal 123, so we're going to get H0 is this 123 divided by 16, and that is 11 is the remainder. So 11 is B. And then what is left is 7 divided by 16, the remainder is 7. So the hex value for 123 is 7B. So we're going to write this program now using this while loop. Prompt the user first, enter decimal value. Now we are going to test if decimal is not 0. And so we will now get the hex value. So this is decimal divided by 16 and get the remainder. So this is now, look at this value, if this between 0 and 9, so that is the result. It's simply, and this hex value plus the ASCII code of 0, then cast it into the character. Else, that is 10, 11, all the way to 15. So that is going to have this hex value minus 10 plus the ASCII code of A. And this value is now converted into a character that is the hex character. And then we have now this hex character. So we combine this character with the one is already here, the hex. So we're going to plus this with hex. So this is the first one. The next one will have this hex plus with the existing hex. So that's, you keep shifting it to the right. So the decimal now, you have one coefficient for this hex number. And now we're going to remove the 16. Decimal, integer division, 16. What is left? We're going to continue to use the decimal to find the next hex number. So this is the program, and that is all for this case study on converting decimals to hexadecimal.